Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy corn dog recipe in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the corn dog I have just cooked up and I'm going to show you the easy recipe without the prismatic fruit. Okay, the first one, of course, you will need corn. Okay, I'm going to submit this corn, submit plan. And then the second one, you will need pepper. Okay, this one, I'm going to submit it. And the last one, you can use coconut. Okay, I'm going to submit this coconut. Okay, you just need three ingredients to create corn dog. And then you can click on cook. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the alternative. I'm going to open up my garden guide, go to the food, and this is the alternative ingredients to create corn dog. Okay, of course you will need corn, and then for the meat you can use bell pepper, cactus, taco fern, mushroom, glowstrom, amber lily, and bone blossom. And then for the stick, you can use one of these fruits. Okay, you can use the fruit that you have on your garden. Okay, you can replace the coconut with maybe with the glow pod or bamboo or the giant pine cone or sugar apple. It depends on the fruit that you have on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cook corn dog and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.